Han, what are you doing, Han?
Babad.
Babad, unsa man?
Babad sa...
Babad sa unsa?
Sa baba.
Han, imong tiil, gaamag.
Babad.
Puti kayo.
Punta kayo.
Oh.
Okay. Very nice. No? The water.
1 month more, we're going home. Nindot yung weather, guys. Come on na, let's go in beach.
Where?
Family beach. Wakra. Let's go. Or tomorrow? Ha? Nagkuwat mig kuan, guys. Nanabo mig ka ng kasak, lambay o ano siya na isda. Katambak. Kabantay man ang dako cruise ship na siya, guys. Diha magdunggo ang mga international cruise ship. Murag wa man guro staff ana kay off man ang light. Na 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 na. Oh Lord. The same things as before. So let's not bring the past back
Put the water
any.
in the...
What?
Put the water for the beach.
Is it warm?
No, the water is good.
Han, is it warm? Let me try. See? Ano rin may manabo. Pero di ka may magnihit mag-isda rin, guys. Gamay rin.
This one?
Good tikab-tikab. Pabuhin pa. There's no fish. Oh, manabo mig isda og kasag pero napunta mis. Manginom og tea. Tea strike karak na 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 na. Hi ring. Auntie ring hon. Soup? Yati. Han, come. Big fish. Come. Dali ba? Pagdali. Dagkog isda, guys. Oh. Sa? Go get fishing rope, go.
Not allowed.
Is that? Dagkog siya, guys, as in. I think katambak. Nindot ilang panabuan, no, kay social. Sa tuwa kay. Dagko gid siya isda do uy. Mga staff siguro ni pasekreto rag fishing ba. Dagko gid siya oh. Zam. O, diba? Mag-tea na lang taning kalakiha. Kaya pa man nanumod ang mga isda. Hanggang na nag-iusa na sa dalang mangitim. Alang sa maluluhin atong kayo pisanongan atong ibang Mao na lagi ning manabo ta. Bitaw daghan kay siya lang mag-walking walk. Weekend man gud diri guys. Anja. It's about Eid next week. Eid al-Adha holiday. So yeah, this is their decoration here in Old Port. Nindot siya diri guys. ASEAN. Ayan o, Old Port. Doha Old Port. Hanwenro. When? Okay. Asa. Tapos nindot ang weather dari. Bugnaw pa guys. Nindot na. Wala may cruise ship. Diri ang cruise ship. Oh, anak sila manakayan. O kinsay ganahan maglawig kunuhay. Og mobalik ta diri kuan. Manabo kunuhay. Social ilang panabuan no. Pangdato guys. Oh my god, it's empty. What is wrong? Why is that guys? Han is mahal han. Why? Mahal kang isda diri. Yeah. Mong katambak oh. Ang presyo 33 sa una guys, 10, 15. Oh, dili sa una last month before war. After war nani na kamahal kay wa mong managat diri kay gibawal. Basig mahagbungag. Magbungag bam. But this one is the same price there. Why? Why no Qatar fish?
Maybe coming this week.
This week? What's the problem? Like almost 1 month
Not going outside.
Really? Because of war?
No, it's happening. Maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow.
This week start? Problems, ah?
Yeah.
Too much problem, too much expensive. You know, cherry bro, before is 10, now it's 33.
Mafi series.
Mafi.
Maybe coming yesterday.
Inshallah. Thank you, brother. Oh, diba? Tama ako. I told you it's right. I'm right. See? No one is going there because the bomb is... Sa? The attack is there. Sa? Maldito. Han, maldito. You are Han. Han, maldito. Min, maldito. Ano? No, not nice. During morning is nice. Sa? So, wait, let's go back another fish market. Huh? I really want to eat crab. The lambay ba? Han, lambay ba, Han? What is crab? That big crab? How you call it in Bisaya? Lambay. Tell. Speak. Lambay. Die. It's off already. No, I wanna come this way. Nindot no. Sabi mo, I'm rich. I know what to do. Let's do karaoke at home. Huh? Your dream into very special. my name, and I'll be there. I'll be there. Nindot, oh. Nindot na. Murag lag na as Pilipinas. I'll be there, you know you do. Just close my eyes. Karam balay guys. Ubos diha. Ubos diha ka buildings. The all we can see. But ang kaana, one of tourist spot. I'll be there. I'll be there. You know that one is the other from the fish market? I'll be there in the you do. Just close my eyes. Bubot ng mga nabuhay guys. Duha pa ka barko nga, duha pa ka boat nga nagat.
انا في انا خلاص انا القزيم اوكي تعال نشوف
Narao. Wait, Han. Ani sila managat oh. No fish? Mafi? Mafi crab, come in. Gamay rin sila kuha, guys. Gamay rin sila kuha. You know their catch is very less. They not catch that much. It's nothing empty their net. I wanna check here. Maybe I have crab here. Yeah, I have crab. Dagko guys, dagko kayo. It's alive this one, sa? Alive? Ay, stay. Buhi gid siya guys. Kalihog. Naa sila kuha ari oh, dagko sila kuha diri oh. What is?
पकड़ लगा पकड़ी पकड़ लगा तो उधर खड़ा है ना
A shark.
उतना एक डॉक्टर
Shark. It's shark, huh? Baby shark.
हां
It's baby shark.
सो
Stingray also guys, stingray. Cherry. Daghan sila kuha ano. Lo. Lapu-lapu. Shark. Baby shark.
Shark no
What's that? Same shark.
catfish so sharp catfish this one
That one? Ah, same. Ah, oh yeah, it's catfish.
ಕಳಿಸಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟ್
I thought it's sharp.
அவங்க கேப்டன் இருக்குன்னா நான் வருவார்
Ano oras na ako? Mayroon ilang kuha. Come on. Only 4 boat fishing today. Baden Bukra more. Next day more. Sa? I'll be there.